Good morning, girls, to all of you. Today, on English language, I have given you some work on all what I have done with you so far. I have given you sentences. Please work out these sentences. And you will find yourself after doing this exercise that yes, I know my work. Whether you were revising every day or not when I did this with you. Now the first topic was analyze the sentence that I told you. Subject, predicate, okay? And then to find out the subject word and its attribute, the same I have given you. In the following sentences, pick out subject and predicate first, then separate the subject word from its attribute, right? And these are the sentences. A burnt child dreads the fire. The flames spread in every direction. Third, new broom sweep well. Fourth, he rose to go. And you have to divide into subject and predicate, and the subject word, attribute, verb and extension. One I have written, the rest you do yourself. Right? The next question is, underline the main clause and put bracket to the subordinate clause. Now, we have learned there are two main clauses, main clause and subordinate clause, or independent and dependent clause. So, you have to work out these sentences. First one, we can all go out for picnic if it stops raining. Second, internet shopping is very popular today because it is convenient. Number third, even though delicious fruit cake was served, Mary refused to eat it. These are the three sentences. You underline the main clause and find the subordinate clause in these sentences. The third question is, state which of the following sentences are compound and which are complex. Now, recollect what is compound and complex. A compound sentence, I told you, it has two or more main clause. Compound, it has main clause. It can be two or more. And that is compound. And in complex, it will be one main clause and two or more subordinate clause in the complex. And you know the sentences are joined with a conjunction also, the two main clauses, okay, that I have done with you. You revise what I have done and then find out in these sentences which is compound and which is complex sentence. First one, because my coffee was too cold, he heated it in the microwave. Next, I want the sporty red car but will lease the practical blue line. Next, although he was wealthy, he was still unhappy. Next, fourth one, it was getting dark and we weren't near the cabin yet. It was getting dark and we weren't near the cabin yet. This is cabin yet. Last one, should we start class now or wait for everyone to get here? Now find out whether these sentences are compound or complex. Which one is compound sentence and which is complex sentence? Each one of you do your work honestly, revise the work and find your complex and compound. Question number 4. change direct speech into indirect. Now remember, I told you direct speech are actual words or the dialogue spoken by the person. It is in present tense, right? And for that you should know your tenses. Then I said it is in inverted commas, and indirect is not the actual words, it is not in inverted commas, and it becomes past, right? So the first sentence is, she said, I am happy. This is direct. All sentences these change into indirect. He said, I have passed the examination. Next, where do you live? Asked the stranger. Next, the gentleman said to the beggar, I know you. Change these direct into indirect sentences. Next, question number 5. Change indirect into direct speech. First, she asked me what I was doing. This is indirect. Change into direct. He said that he lived many years in India. And the third, he urged them to be quiet and listen to his words. Girls, this is your homework. Please work out all these questions. After revising each work what I have done with you, and when you work out, you will feel very happy that I am revising, I know my work. Please do your work neatly and honestly, sincerely. God bless you.